balik po dun sa medicines. What have you observed over the years since it's a long problem, it's been a problem for a long time? What kind of medicines are usually being counterfeited, like over the counter?
Actually nga, dun sa USTR report, hindi naman nila yung na-identify kung anong klaseng medicines. We have been asking for details. Marami naman silang mag-provide. But according to FDA reports, meron mga counterfeiting din dito sa atin. And usually, ito yung mga gamot na over-the-counter. Biogesic, Sipon, na pwedeng beta doon sa mga barangay. So yun yung nakikita nila. Nahuhuli na actually yung mga counterfeits. Ngayon, as to the source, yun ang hindi rin nila ma-identify kung saan galing. But definitely, sabi nila, hindi dito gawa sa Pilipinas.
To identify the source code, that goes to law enforcement.
So kami naman, sa National Committee on Intellectual Property Rights, hindi naman din yung PNP, AI, Bureau of Customs. Kaya we recognize yung customs because halos 95% of the seizures last year, 27 billion pesos worth. Siguro sa amin na 98% yung seizures.